Good.
That's funny.
Slurping it up.
What's he slurping it up like, Betty?
Yay!
Biscuity.
Have you ever think about it?
This Clover, he's, I don't know how old he is, but we rescued him from the garden. And he was safe in the house, both Cafe and Frappuccino, most came. And last night, and so he dropped him. By 8 weeks, there's a little fact about bunnies. By 8 weeks, they're ready to be fried up and cured with gas. Or fried, or whatever.
Butcher.
Butchered, yeah.
Yeah.
But, no, eaten.
Okay.
And today we're letting him go. Sadly.
But he's happy. He's going to have his first taste of freedom.
Okay.
To the backyard where he came from.